Oh, how you doing?
Your locker is to the right.
Hey, what's up everyone? I just wanted to do a quick video on all of my Enduro riding gear. Since I just bought a new pants and jersey, I figured might as well make a video of all my gear. I was just going to do the pants and jersey, but threw everything else in there as well. So this part's just me unboxing it all. Got it from MX Store. Got my name and number printed on the back. I think that's something new that they're doing, possibly. I've never seen it before. It was relatively cheap. I think for the gloves, the pants, and jersey, I spent 150 Australian dollars on it, which seemed pretty reasonable to me. This is my old gear. It's also O'Neill. As you can see, it's got rips. I ripped off the tag and everything, holes in it. Jersey's just a plain black one with plenty of holes in it. Time to upgrade, I think. My helmet is a Bell MX-9 with visor. Has a chin strap camera mount. I don't use the goggles, I just use the visor because I can't stay in the goggles. These are my knee pads, Liette. Nothing special, protects my knees from hitting shit. Alpine Stars body armor, it's hard plastics, it's quite good, saved me a few times. My boots are Alpine Stars as well. They are not very supportive, but at least they're comfortable to wear. The hydration pack is just a regular hiking backpack that I wear. It has a lot of storage space, so I fit a bunch of crap in there. Just my beta toolkit that's in there, extra spark plug, some duct tape. A lot of my tools and spare parts just get left in the van, so if I need them, I'll just run back to the van to get them. I don't like to carry too much in my backpack, besides 100 muesli bars. This is a brand new pump that my wife bought me. She's awesome. Goes up to 150 psi. It's good for inflating tubeless. I bring it with me. It's portable, battery operated. And that's pretty much it. Now you get to see me do a couple twirls in my new gear while I ask you to please subscribe because I'm coming out with new content all the time. This has been Jersey Joe. Ciao for now.